Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from BlockFi alternatives to your bank account, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from BlockFi alternatives to your bank account, start by selecting the platform you wish to use. Log into your account on the chosen platform. Navigate to the wallet or assets section of the platform. Identify the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Ensure you have the required minimum balance for withdrawals. Locate and click on the withdrawal option. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select your preferred withdrawal method. For fiat withdrawals, choose the bank transfer option. You may need to link your bank account if you haven't done so already. Provide your bank account details as requested. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any potential issues. Confirm the withdrawal request. Verify any additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication. Wait for the withdrawal to be processed. Processing times can vary by platform, so be patient. Once processed, check your bank account for the deposited funds. If you experience any issues, consult the platform's support resources. Follow up with customer service if necessary. Keep a record of your withdrawal for future reference. Ensure you stay informed about any fees associated with the withdrawal process. Be aware of the potential impact on your tax obligations depending on the amount withdrawn. This completes the withdrawal process from BlockFi alternatives to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.